Numerous conspiracy theories abound on the internet, offering a lifetime of reading material. And certain speculations and confidential information are validated through declassified documents, government leaks, and insightful reports. It raises questions about the reality behind some of these secrets. We've gained unprecedented insights into clandestine government programs, ranging from the FBI's dossier on Bigfoot to the CIA's discreet involvement with dragonflies, revealing that truth can indeed be stranger than fiction. The Pentagon houses a UFO program, once shrouded in secrecy as the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program. This initiative was dedicated to probing reports of unidentified flying objects. Despite its existence, the Department of Defense never officially confirmed it, asserting that funding for the program ceased in 2012. However, a shift occurred on July 15, 2022, when the Pentagon publicly disclosed the establishment of the All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office. This office was created with the intention of officially and purportedly transparently collecting and analyzing reports of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, or unidentified anomalous phenomena. Contrary to widespread speculation about extraterrestrial encounters, the office maintains that it has yet to find concrete evidence of aliens or alien technology. The FBI indeed had its sights on Bigfoot. In the depths of the FBI's Freedom of Information Library, one can uncover the agency's file on the mythical creature, Bigfoot or Sasquatch. These files are disclosed posthumously, implying not only the creature's existence, but also suggesting that the FBI believes it to be deceased. The CIA took spy gadgetry to new heights by creating a robot dragonfly. Contrary to the fantastical devices, the CIA showcased previously undisclosed devices from the 1970s at the CIA Museum in Washington, and among them was a drone-like dragonfly, aptly named the Insectothopter. The military ventured into the realm of science fiction with a daring attempt at weaponizing lightning. A declassified document from 1967 sheds light on the CIA's ambitious project, envisioning a weapon that could not be easily traced back to its source. Despite the functional nature of the invention, the agency ultimately chose to abandon the program, leaving the concept of weaponized lightning to remain a curious chapter in military experimentation. A collaborative effort between the United States and India unfolded in the 1960s, aiming to keep tabs on China's nuclear development. The mission involved installing radioactive isotope U-38 powered sensors in the treacherous terrain of the Himalayas. Unfortunately, hazardous conditions forced an evacuation before the installation's completion. Upon the team's return, the sensors had vanished, giving rise to local speculation that these lost plutonium devices are still active in the region, allegedly contributing to the melting of mountain caps and consequential massive floods. In a surprising turn of events in 2020, the U.S. Air Force revealed the existence of a covertly developed fighter jet. The aircraft, shrouded in secrecy, was designed, built, and tested under the umbrella of the Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD program. While scant details are available about this cutting-edge jet, its sudden appearance in the public eye suggests breakthrough capabilities and a new era in air dominance. The United States Air Force's Project Blue Book, initiated in 1952 as the third UFO program, held a unique mission. Faced with nearly a quarter of UFO cases marked as unexplained in previous programs, Project Blue Book aimed to debunk UFO inquiries and dispel public interest. Despite its official closure In 1969, government recording of UFO encounters persisted, leaving a lingering air of mystery surrounding the program's true conclusions. The brilliant Serbian-American inventor faced a posthumous controversy after his death in 1943. Just 2 days after his passing, the U.S. government, citing wartime national security concerns, reportedly confiscated Tesla's belongings, including his groundbreaking research. It took more than 9 years for Tesla's family to reclaim some of his possessions, raising questions about the extent of what was truly returned and the potential loss of invaluable contributions to science and technology. The Loch Ness Monster stands as one of the most enduring enigmas. The saga began in 1934 when a Scottish doctor claimed to have an encounter with an otherworldly creature in the depths of Loch Ness. Moved by this purported sighting, he swiftly grabbed his camera and captured what would become the legendary surgeon's photograph. This iconic image features a dark shape reminiscent of a prehistoric brontosaurus, gracefully navigating the waters with a long, curved neck. The photograph stirred the collective imagination, birthing a wave of enthusiasm among the public. Numerous individuals claimed to have spotted the elusive aquatic beast, only to find their accounts met with skepticism from the scientific community. However, a recent revelation in newly published documents provides a tantalizing twist to the Loch Ness Monster tale. Within these documents, a former Scottish police chief named William Fraser expressed a belief in the existence of a strange creature in Loch Ness. He asserted that there is some strange creature in Loch Ness seems now beyond doubt, but that the police have any power to protect it is very doubtful. While the Scottish government has not officially affirmed the presence of Nessie, these documents inject fresh hope into the hearts of fervent monster hunters and add another layer to the enduring mystery. Delving into the shadowy realms of Cold War espionage, the CIA's Project MK Ultra emerges as a chapter steeped in controversy and clandestine experimentation. Initiated during a tumultuous era, MK Ultra aimed to explore mind control techniques through covert and often illegal scientific research on human subjects. Unveiled in the 1970s, this program employed a disturbing array of methodologies, including the administration of mind-altering drugs like LSD and barbiturates, hypnosis, and reports even suggest the use of radiological and biological agents. The cloak and dagger nature of MK Ultra extended to its aftermath, with CIA Director Richard Helms ordering the destruction of all related documents in 1973. Yet, the truth could not be fully concealed, as the New York Times exposed the program's illicit activities in late 1974. Subsequent investigations by the Church Committee and a commission led by Vice President Nelson Rockefeller laid bare the extent of MK Ultra. Over more than 2 decades, the CIA allocated nearly $20 million, collaborated with researchers at over 30 universities, and conducted experiments on unsuspecting subjects. Some historians contend that the ultimate aim was to develop a mind control system capable of programming individuals for covert activities, a notion later dramatized in the 1953 thriller The Manchurian Candidate and its film adaptation. These bizarre and ethically dubious ideas were further explored in the more recent film The Men Who Stare at Goats, adding another layer of intrigue to this dark chapter in history.